Wetin my eye see, my mouth go talk am. I welcome una my people. Na me be Onukube, the storyteller. This story wey I wan tell is a very sad one. When this person tell me this story about her friend's sister, very sad one. University undergraduate, this young lady, they in love with the fellow schoolmates. All of them dey school. You know now, campus school love dey dey. You know say person wey in dey in love with get agenda. You know say when you are dealing with somebody, there are some things, if you're observant and sensitive, you will be picking. Somebody wey dey greedy and you and that person dey rule, you go know. Somebody wey dey mean, you go know. Except people that are not sensitive and observant. Bad thing, they no dey hide am. Bad character, they no dey hide am. But like I said, some ladies, when they are in love, they will be blinded. They no dey see clear. Because if you dey date a guy wey dey over ambitious, that's you really need to, in fact, stay away from such person. Wey money. I wan do. It's good to be ambitious, but over ambitious, in fact, desperate. When somebody becomes desperate, they can go at any length to get what they want in any which way. Na so e come be this guy, undergraduate. Big life come dey hungry am. To drive big cars come dey hungry am, my people. Na him one day, him and him friends come plan say how they go take hit this money, hit am, come become oppressors for campus now. No be so. Na they come see na the girl make they go do money rituals. As they say, they will go do money rituals. My people, na him boyfriend, they say, we go so place now. You no carry anything for mind. Na him the girl follow the guy. You no see the guy don't go plan with him friends. Where they go, na him dey unlife am. They unlife the girl. Hey, as they unlife the girl, na him dey collect wetin they say make they bring. The baba say make they bring. As they comot all those things, they go. Na him police check on them. Search, come see say wetin they carry no be goat meat or fowl meat. Na him they check on them. Investigation come start. They come be say na that him girlfriend, na him and him friend buy. Na so that very beautiful young girl take go. And the guy, una know wetin e mean now. Somebody wey don buy somebody. And what do you call that? what do you call that? When people are not what? Contented with what they have, they will become desperate to gather by fire, by force. See as they take end that young girl, bright future, beautiful girl, bright future, end them. End the own too, because evidence full ground. Where you dey go? Somebody wey don kpai somebody. So my people, I wan ask now, una go say na peer pressure na im make dat boy do wetin im do, or una go say na lack of con ten tment na im cause am do wetin im do. I go like make una chook mouth for dis matter for comment section. I greet una.
You know say truth dey bitter sometimes, but onukube, you say